Skeem Saam actor Austin Mothapo, the industry is too negative. Actor Austin Mothapo has decided to steer clear of some social media platforms because of the negative energy that has been buzzing around. Austin has been the talk of social media ever since his character, Noah on Skeem Saam became the biggest tsotsi in turf loop. Austin told SUBCRIBE he was aware of the backlash his character was getting but decided long ago that he would not listen to the haters. The actor said that if he could he would change the negativity that consumed the industry. I think people are negative and people on social media are negative. There is a lot of negativity in the industry that is really annoying. I don't know what needs to be done, but I think we need to support each other and move the industry forward together. Austin said he avoided Twitter and other platforms that were riddled with trolls for his own sanity. I like pictures, so I like Instagram. I am not on Twitter. I don't listen to what is being said there because it can be dangerous. He also doesn't hang out with people from the industry, which has helped him deal with the negativity. I don't have a lot of friends in the industry. I am mostly with my brothers. I am close to the people on, but they don't act like celebrities, so there is no drama or negativity.
Yeah.